Hello, my name is Yomara Molina, and the overall club experience that I had was amazing. The club provided a safety net that I had yet to experience. By the time I landed at the Boys and Girls Club of Lowell, had gone to my third high school. So the Boys and Girls Club staff and also team members really provided a safety net for me where I felt at home. The club supported me in becoming who I am today by showing me what hard work and dedication could do. I was an active participant in the Keystone Club. I was also Youth of the Month several times. And in order to participate in different Keystone activities, we had to fundraise. So we actually fundraised for an entire year and went to Texas. I had never had an experience like that. I had also never traveled alone. So the Boys and Girls Club provided me a new experience that I had yet to have. There was not a specific staff member or anyone specifically within the club that played a role in me choosing the career that I did. I am a clinical practice consultant working for a health insurance company, but the Boys and Girls Club did assist me with all my college applications. They did review my essays and they did champion behind me and showed me that I could accomplish anything that I set my mind to. Lastly, the Boys and Girls Club definitely supported me in becoming who I am today by showing me hard work and dedication. As I had mentioned, the Keystone Club has really set that foundation for me. They showed me that I could fundraise, but they also showed me about the importance of volunteering within the community and helping others. And that's still things that I hold to my core today and still try to do as much as possible.